Have you guys ever heard of the brand Cariuma? Stay tuned to see what's inside this box. Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Stickle, and I am back with another video. Now, before I get too deep into this video, I want to start right off, before I open this box, and give a special shout out to I Am Rio P. That is the name of his YouTube channel. If you're a man and you're into fashion and you're into how-to videos, like how to wear this and how to style this, he does some high fashion stuff. He does some H&M level stuff, a lot of ASOS stuff, just how to put your pieces together and different things like that. And he also has a huge Jordan and all that collection as well if you're into sneakers. So I want to give a special shout out to him because he's the only reason I'm able to cop these. He had a giveaway, like a raffle on his channel, and I just happened to hit. I was lucky enough to be one of the lucky recipient of this pair of sneakers. So I wanted to unbox this on the channel. It's kind of like a mystery box. I know what he showed on his channel, but I don't know if they sent me the same exact sneaker that he was wearing. It's not a Jordan, it's not a Adidas, not an ASIC, not anything like that. Like I said, this brand is a Brazilian. I think they also have a new store also based in Los Angeles, California. So let's get into it, man. It's a casual low-cut sneaker. As far as what he was wearing and what he reviewed on his channel, I have no idea if I'm getting the same thing, but we'll see together. Let me see if I can even open this. I probably should have cracked into this before. Yeah, because it has a tab and everything. Okay. So, let's see. Inside the box, let's see what we got. It's a very casual, low-cut sneaker. And right off bat, as you can see from the packaging, it has "From Rio to the World." This is all recyclable materials. It also looks like it has a handwritten letter in here. Wow. Starting off on a good note. This is really dope. From Rio to the World. Cariuma.com. And you see the recycling logo down there. You got your Cariuma branding with Cariuma Rio, Brazil. Wow. Hey Bobby, congrats on winning our IG giveaway with Rio. We hope you love your new sneakers. Enjoy, Cariuma and Rio P. Really, really cool, man. That's really important, man. When you do things like this and you make it personal, it's not just like, hey, here, random person. They actually put, send my actual name on there. So, actually has some stickers as well. Cariuma on it. Now, I hope this lighting doesn't wash the box out because it is white, and these LED lights with white don't really mesh well, but we'll try it anyway. You got your all white box lid with Cariuma and the branding on the front, Rio, Brazil. You got your recycling label on the back. It's made out of all recycled materials. You got Cariuma on the back. You got Born in Rio here on the front. A lot of branding. Oh, look at the inside of the box. Look at that. It look like, I think these are banana leaves, it look like. Look at the inside of the box. Look at this packaging. And it also has the picture of the sneaker right there on the card that they include. I'm not gonna read this whole thing. Half of this is looks like it's in Portuguese, and half is in English. We got size 11. Catiba Low off-white leather and black logo sneaker. All right, you got your green wrapping paper, and it looks like each sneaker comes individually wrapped. Let's pull these out. I'll just pull one out for now. Wow. This is not your Adidas 3 stripes. This is extremely clean little low cut summertime, you know, some little cargo shorts or some chino pants or something like that. Now, I hope this doesn't wash out, but as you can see all around the upper, you got your all white, pure white upper with your black Cariuma. It looks, I don't know what this logo is. It looks like an arrowhead, but I'm sure it might be something, represent something else. I'm not really that aware of the brand. I think it's like a relatively new brand. I think Rio said in his video that the two co-owners have been doing fashion for over 15 years, but they've only been doing this collaboration together for about 2 years. So this is a new upstart company. On the inside, I think medial side of the shoe, you got like a chrome button. It's just like an air vent on that side to give some breathing to the sneaker. On the right behind the arrowhead on the outside of the sneaker, you also have some perforations. Now the whole midsole is like a cream off-white, which is actually labeled on the box. Is an off-white. On the back, you got more Cariuma logos, but you have it in the green, like green on the heel back here, and on the same thing as on the lace. At the top of the tongue, at the top of the lacing system, you got the Cariuma, but you have like a grayish type tongue tag that says Cariuma on it. On the this insole is really clean. This is a leather insole, brown with Cariuma, and all around it has like that neon banana leaf green. Outsole is more that milky off-white traction on the outsole. Now, this is a really casual sneaker. I won these. I don't know. I have to try them on and put it on with some fits. At some point, when it warms up a little bit, I'll do it on foot down the road of these. But I'm more than anything, I'm just happy to be able to have this piece in my rotation. This will be added to my rotation, even though it's not Jordan, Adidas, or anything like that. But for me to be able to win these for free, and then all of this packaging is this is beyond A1. This stuff you don't really get unless you get some premium Jordan or some premium Adidas or something like that. But all of this branding, I mean, all of this packaging and the personalized IG card and stuff like that, it really means a lot. And it's a really good personal touch. And it's a really clean little summer sneaker, man. Let me know down in the comments below how y'all feel about these. I'm sure obviously it's all over everything. Y'all can go to Cariuma.com and see the retail prices on these sneakers, and they have a lot of other sneakers as well. It's not just white. They have not just leather as well. So I'm gonna try these on. I'm gonna wear them around the house a little bit and see how I feel about them. But they're really clean. Now, if you guys are following me on IG, you should have your notification bells on, because I got some crazy heat coming. Some very limited heat coming. So have your notification bells on, please. You don't want to miss these videos that are coming up after this. It'll probably be during all next week. I got a lot of different things coming in, man. So I appreciate y'all rocking with your boy and coming on and watch another video. Cariuma.com. Go follow I Am Rio P on IG and on YouTube, man. He is really dope at what he does on his channel, man. So I love y'all. OV!